This is the QR code. Okay, you can scan to download the app. 我们来 try to scan 它。你可以去 scan. If you are using the iPhone, 可以直接去 scan 这个 code. Or you can download this app right from the Google Store, or the Apple Store. Apple Store is called the GXM AI. In the Google Store, you call the GXM. 好，我们来哈。So after you download the app, right, remember to register your account. OK， 大家记住去 register 自己的 account register your account. There is a switch button. We have to turn on the camera 哈。Alright, if first time right, you can try the reset camera also 哈。这边点一下这个 reset. Before we connection our camera, one more thing to double confirm is your Wi-Fi. Okay, so switch to your phone Wi-Fi. If you are using the Doorbell, right? If you are using the Doorbell, you can see the 2.5 or the 2.5 or 5G. Please switch your phone Wi-Fi to the 2.4G first. So this is my 2.4G Wi-Fi. If you have the one Wi-Fi is the combined 2.4G and 5G combined, right? Just use the default Wi-Fi. Use the app, the corner, this one, the plus, to scan the camera, allow the access for the camera. 好，我们这边拿起你的 camera， 在后面有一个这个 QR code 去 scan。好 ，after you scan right, just follow the instruction, go to the next. Okay, allow the permission. So after you switch to the 2.4G, right, it will auto show your Wi-Fi name here. For the Android user, if you cannot see the Wi-Fi name properly, please turn on the location. What you need to do, right, just key in your Wi-Fi password here. Okay, double confirm with your family, key in your Wi-Fi password. So there's a QR code will generate on the screen. You hold your camera to scan the QR code. Okay, you will hear the beep from the camera, then go to the next. After a few seconds, then your camera will be connected. Okay, thanks for watching.